D50031 Sensor Faucet Installation Instruction. 1. Confirm accessories. 2. Prepare installation tools. 3. Faucet installation. Before installation, release water in the angle valve and wipe off water. Confirm the installation hole dimension. Remove the washer and the lock nut, and then pass the inlet hose and the electric wire through the basin hole. Under basin, install the washer and lock nut and tighten the lock nut to fit the faucet properly. 4. Electronic module installation. Use a screwdriver to open the cover of the electronic module. DC power installation. Install 4 pieces AA alkaline batteries, then reconnect the battery box and reinstall the cover. AC power installation. Turn off power in the house. Connect the black wire to indoor power and wrap the connection with tape and connect the red connectors. Then reinstall the cover. Select a suitable position for the electric module under the basin and mark the installation hole positions. Drill 4 holes in the selected position. Pay attention to avoid water pipeline. Push the anchors into the drilled holes. Position the electronic module over the anchors and secure into position with the included screws. Connect the angle valve to the inlet of electronic module with a hose. Connect the inlet hose of the faucet to the outlet of the electronic module. Connect the electronic connector of the faucet to the electronic module and tighten the connection. 5. Sensing and water test. Turn on the angle valve. The sensor will automatically set the sensing distance. Do not cover the sensor with hands or place any objects in the basin. Conduct water test and check for leakage at each connection.